Growing success. The best fertilizer for Pok Choy container plants. A sunny balcony with container soft vibrant Pok Choy. Welcome, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of container gardening and discovering the best fertilizer for your Pok Choy plants. I'm your host, and let's get started. When it comes to Pok Choy, the key is to provide nutrients in a balanced and organic way. Here's our top pick, an organic, well-balanced fertilizer with a nutrient ratio of 10-10-10. Now, applying this fertilizer is a breeze. Sprinkle it evenly around the base of your Pok Choy plants, being careful not to overcrowd the stems. Water it in gently to help the nutrients seep into the soil. Why this fertilizer, you ask? Well, Pok Choy loves a good dose of nitrogen for leafy green growth, phosphorus for strong roots, and potassium for overall plant health. This balanced blend ensures your Pok Choy gets exactly what it needs. The benefits of organic fertilizer. The beauty of using organic fertilizer is that it promotes soil health and encourages beneficial microbial activity. It's like giving your plants a buffet of nutrients while maintaining a thriving ecosystem in your containers. Now, let's address some common questions. Can I use synthetic fertilizers? While synthetic fertilizers can give quick results, we recommend sticking with organic options for container gardening. They're gentle on your plants and the environment. How often should I fertilize? Great question for Pok Choy. Aim for monthly application during the growing season. Adjust based on your plant's needs and the specific fertilizer instructions. And there you have it, folks. Choosing the right fertilizer is like giving your Pok Choy AVIP treatment. Remember, a healthy plant is a happy plant. Happy gardening! See you next time for more tips,